But the other pressure that we have been witnessing and is making headlines more than the equity markets these days is the free fall in the rupee. Every day we have been talking about how that has been hitting a record low. Yesterday as well, it went past the level of 86.60, and now there are people on the street who are calling levels of even 90 on the rupee. It's far-fetched, seems far-fetched. But given the latest commentary coming in from the RBI governor as well, that they are willing to let the market really decide where they want a rupee to head, and they're only going to stop the knee-jerk reactions per se. This is something that the market will have to watch out for as well, because Nikunj, this too, has implications, whether it's FII flows, whether it's earnings, and the rupee is something which has become the biggest talking point now.
It had implications on everything, your life, my life, everyone's life, because you're talking about currency here. It's a sovereign currency. Rupee goes down like this, it is not good, it is actually bad, and it's going to have impact both in terms of how the macro would move and how the positioning would move. It's not only about, rupee goes down, FIs, they start selling. No. It's beyond that. Rupee goes to 90, then assumptions what you had at the beginning of the year in terms of fiscal deficit, crude import, trade deficit, all that changes. So whether the Reserve Bank of India would intervene to protect the rupee, or this is an interplay of what is happening to other emerging market currencies. I can bounce back and say that, okay, rupee has fallen less, other currencies have fallen more. But the bottom line here is that you have to look at everything in terms of where the impact analysis would be. Now, what can RBI do? Look, we've not got any kind of a very obvious statement from RBI where they've used the word that we would defend the rupee, and nor have they indicated that we do not want to intervene. I think there would be a backroom response by RBI, which is what they are doing, that they want to curb the volatility low. For rupee to stall falling or stop falling, dollar has to stop rising. So you may want to make a case that the interplay between long dollar and short emerging market currencies is not going to be forever. No one saw that coming, but I think it should reach its climax very soon. That's what I feel. But if rupee nears 90, then I expect Reserve Bank of India to come up with slightly more clearer messaging in terms of indicating to the market that hum khade hain. Right now Reserve Bank of India is only saying that, look, we are managing backroom and we are watching the rupee and we are doing whatever it takes in terms of periodic intervention. But with $600 billion of forex reserve, the rupee, if it goes below 90, then it could be a problem. And that's where I think Reserve Bank of India will have to be not just a backroom operator, they will have to come and hit on the front foot.